The Magical Music of Barbados, Aminas Tale. Once upon a time, in the vibrant island of Barbados, there lived a little girl named Amina. Amina was known for her kind heart and love for music. She could often be found humming the tunes of calypso, a genre of music that was deeply rooted in the culture of Barbados. One day, while walking along the beach, Amina found a small, shiny stone that sparkled under the sunlight. It was unlike anything she had ever seen. Intrigued, she took the stone home and showed it to her grandmother. Her grandmother, a wise old woman, recognized the stone as the legendary Heart of Barbados, a magical stone said to possess the spirit of the island. The stone was believed to grant a single wish to the one who truly loved Barbados and its culture. Amina was overjoyed. She had always dreamed of sharing the beautiful music of Barbados with the world. She held the stone close to her heart and made a wish to be able to play music that could touch people's hearts. The next day, Amina woke up to find a beautiful steelpan by her bedside, a musical instrument native to the Caribbean. She picked up the sticks and started to play. The music that flowed was the most beautiful melody anyone in the village had ever heard. It was as if the spirit of Barbados was speaking through her music. News of Amina's magical music spread throughout the island. People from all over came to listen to her play. Her music brought people together, reminding them of the rich culture and vibrant spirit of Barbados. Amina's music became a symbol of unity and cultural pride in Barbados. Her story was told over and over, inspiring generations of Barbadians to take pride in their culture and heritage. And so, the story of Amina and her magical music became a beloved folktale in Barbados, passed down from generation to generation, reminding everyone of the rich culture and vibrant spirit.